TGIF, everybody. Oh, Lord. So anyway, what was that amp? That 8-pill? That was in really bad shape. I know I rebuilt his 1x4 last time. Made it much better. And so now that 8-pill is going to send it. And I've got everything ready here. Basically, just for the build. Got a lot of the hard stuff out of the way. Of course, I still gotta, you know, string the transformers. Yeah, so I don't know what board to use because I don't remember the size of the cabinet or whatever with it. And so when that gets here, we'll decide what we're gonna do there. I'm also doing a in-stock board here, 1x4, straight 4, whatever. Getting everything ready for it so that when someone wants it, I'll just be able to get it done real quick. Yeah. So I hope everybody is doing great. Y'all have a great weekend. And we'll talk at y'all later. Y'all take care. I'm gone.